Hey guys, please subscribe my channel Bhavya GlamGirl and press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss another update from Bhavya GlamGirl.
Hello everyone, welcome to Bhavya GlamGirl and you're watching me Bhavya.
So guys, in today's video I will be telling you about 5 rules to a flawless complexion. So let's get started and watch this video. To get the flawless face you crave, follow these 5 easy rules. Number 1. Keep skin clear. Never ever go to bed with your makeup on. It gets pushed deep into pores while you toss and turn. And when washing, spend a minimum of 30 seconds massaging in a cleanser. Use a face wash that suits your skin type. Milky creams if you tend to be dry, and foams or gel for normal or acne-prone complexions. Number 2. Prevent blackheads. Dampen skin, then lightly rub a facial scrub on areas prone to clogging like the nose, cheeks and chin using a circular motion. Exfoliating loosens dry skin that can cause blockage. For oily complexions, use a scrub that contains a chemical exfoliator 3 times a week. If you have dry or sensitive skin, use a gentle, non-abrasive, creamy exfoliator twice weekly. Number 3. Remove impurities. Clogged pores expand so the opening becomes wider. To decrease blemish causing debris, apply a clay-based mask to your T-zone, that is forehead, nose and chin, 1 or 2 times a week. Clay acts like a vacuum and pulls dirt and oil to the surface. Experts never recommend picking, but if you are going to do it, use an extraction. The oval shape creates an even pressure that forces the debris up and out. Number 4. Absorb excess shine. Oil reflects light and brings more attention to a pore's size. Soak up excess sebum with paper blotting sheets or a mattifying cream instead of reapplying a compact powder throughout the day. Layers of makeup will lead to congestion and breakouts. Number 5. Use oil-free products. If you have large pores, avoid cleansers and moisturizers that contain any type of oil, especially mineral oil or petroleum, which can create a clogging film. Skip waterproof and stay put makeup as well, since these formulas tend to be oil-based and are not easily washed off with a regular cleanser. So friends, in today's video we got to know about 5 rules to get a flawless complexion. If you liked our today's video, then give me a hit thumbs up and you can share this video with your friends and relatives also.
If you liked our today's video, then do like and share this video with your friends, and if you have any beauty query, you can comment me below in the comment section. And do not forget to subscribe my channel Bhavya GlamGirl. I will catch you in my next video soon. Bye.